I want to show you how I make my old wigs look new, how to revamp your wig at home, and easiest way to revamp your wig, guys. Are you ready? Today I'm going to be revamping two wigs. I've brushed them out. You needed to see this wig when I first brought them out. Oh god, you run. So I started brushing them before I even started filming them. So I'm going to revamp the two at once. Let's go right into it. We are going to use the Moroccan argan oil with keratin as the Revamp product. We are using conditioner, Tresemme 24-hour volume. And we are also using shampoo, the 3-in-1 clean and replenish, that is Tresemme as well. Now I'm going to add very hot water to my room temperature water, and I'm going to add my shampoo now. After adding my shampoo, I'll just add my hair. Now I'm mixing the water, you can see it. So I'm going to add my hair, the two hair at once. So if anyone tells you that you cannot revamp your two hair at once, that is not true. Just make it sink into the water, let it simmer, leave it there for some time, at least 20 minutes. You can do 30 minutes, but 20 minutes is just fine, so that all the dirt would have come out and the product will penetrate into the hair. Now I'm going to be using the secret with you. Let me share the secret of this hair. I'm going to use body and therapy oil, or let me tell you, I'm going to use macadamia. Macadamia nut oil is very good for hair, and body and therapy oil will give it good volume and make it shiny. So out of these two oil, I don't even know the one I'm going to use for this hair, but you're going to see it along the line. So if you suspect any of it, you can drop a comment in the section below to tell me the one you think I should have used. All right, but I'll tell you why I'm using this one. So now it's 20 minutes and we have to clean this. This water is so hot, guys. So hot. I'm just trying to dip it to clean it out. Then I have to put more shampoo in order to make it smooth when I'm trying to clean it. You know, you can't wash it like clothes. You have to be gentle and tender. So I keep dipping and keep using my hand to smoothen it out gradually. Now, if you want to do this, make sure that you have enough shampoo on the hair. I'm not saying you should have too much shampoo on the hair, but at least enough for it to be smooth, so that when you're trying to wash it, your hands will get through easily. All right, so that's what I'm trying to do here. And another secret to washing your hair is brushing your hair. So you need to brush it properly when you're in the process of it, from the beginning to the end. Just keep brushing the hair and check if it is pulling out. You can see mine is not pulling out, so I keep doing it. Even the closure part, I keep brushing it. You brush from the bottom to the top. Don't brush from the top to the bottom. All right, now after that, I still make sure I brush to make sure it is still tangle free. The second one, I did the same process. Now you can see how dirty the water is. I'm going to throw out the water and rinse with very clean, ordinary water. Okay, I'm rinsing the hair at once so that the product will come out of the hair. I need the shampoo to be all out of the hair so that it will be clean. I'm running the water again to repeat the same process of cleaning it. Now, after I've been through this process, I still have leftover of the hot water. So I'm going to make lukewarm water for this hair to clean it again, all right? So that when I want to put the conditioner, the hair will have the texture to make the conditioner sink. Now I'm going to be adding my revamping product. This is the revamping process. Add your conditioner and I've picked macadamia nut oil, all right? 5 drops of it I'm going to add in this. And after that, I'm going to have the Revamp. This keratin Morocco argan oil is the Revamp. That's the purpose of revamping. Without this product, there is no revamping anywhere, all right? There are other products you can use, but this one is very affordable and very effective, all right? So I'm going to mix this together thoroughly, but I think the conditioner is not enough, so I'm just going to add a little more. Okay, now after this, I'm going to put my warm water in the bowl, and now I'm going to add my hair to it, just to rinse it and make it warm for that texture. You know, when you bathe with warm water, you know, things will be able to sink into your skin. So I want it to sink into this hair, you know, when I'm revamping it. Now you can see there's no detangling at all. Now I'm going to rub my revamping product right there. This is my secret product. This is how
yourself.